everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our latest craft workshop project to share with you. This is the Hannah journal set in a lipped box, and it's decorated in papers from the Wild and Free collection, the new collection from Graphic 45. Here are the headers from the collection, and I've used one 12 by 12 paper for the top of the box from the Patterns and Solids collection, one from the 12 by 12 collection pack on the bottom of the box, and then all of the journals inside have all been sized and customed so that they can be decorated in 8 by 8 papers. So let's take you through the project. We've got a really lovely deep box, 3 1/4 inches deep, and just has a lift-off lid. I had to put the elephant on the front, I just thought they were gorgeous, to reveal 3 albums inside. The box itself, it makes a great storage box. It's got a lipped closure, so that holds the lid in place really nicely. And then I've used ribbon to tie my journals in the box. The class includes lots and lots of tips and techniques on variations on things that you can do with these journals. So that's the box, all decorated in the gorgeous papers. And here are the journals. So 3 different styles, all 8 1/8 inches deep, and designed so that you can use every piece of an 8 by 8 sheet to minimise the waste at the end of the project. I love doing that, that's my challenge. So let's take you through the journals. This one I filled up with pictures so that you can see what it looks like when it's got things in it. So we've got a ribbon closure on the side and a little fold out flap. We've got a belly band with a photo spot on the top. I've put a picture of Harry on there so you can see what it looks like with pictures in, and then you can slide a picture underneath the band there, and then it opens up and you can see there's lots of surface areas and pockets to put all of your bits and pieces in, whatever it is that you like to put in journals. And there is 1 sheet of paper here, 1, 2, 3, and this little band here is 1 8 by 8 sheet with no trimming top and bottom. And then it flips over to reveal the other side where you've got more deep pockets. And I've also made it so that you can use the paperclip embellishments on the pockets and at the top, so that you can hold details into your elements into your journals. So the box is deep enough to take that when you put the journals back in it. And then we've got a nice photo area here. We've got a pocket at the top to put your pictures or journaling, and a pocket at the side as well. And then it flips over and there's room on the back to add more. So that's journal number 1. Just a basic little journal with those pockets and tuck spots. And then journal number 2, or journal style number 2, we've got a longer ribbon closure and a side flap. Again, a nice area for your pictures here. Let's borrow a picture from the other one and I can show you. So you could put your picture straight on the front there and also tuck more underneath, and then it opens this way and we've got a narrow pocket there and a deep pocket on this side, again with room on the front to put more pictures. And then go the other way, we've got the same wide space deep pocket on that flap, and the same on the opposite, so another deep pocket there and nice space on the front. It makes a lovely montage, that layout. And again, you can see that's 1 8x8 sheet of paper there, mixed with those monkeys. I love this collection, it's so beautiful. The colours are so pretty. And then that flips over and you've got a narrow pocket there, deep pocket here, and a narrow tuck spot. I suppose the narrow ones are more tuck spots than pockets to pop something there as well. And then of course you've got the back too. So that is version number 2. That all ties up with a ribbon closure, or you could use the same closure as on version 1. And then to go with those two, we have got a stitched journal. So again, in the same size case, it's got a buckle closure and it opens out to reveal whatever type of pages you want to put in. You may mix plain paper to write on with craft paper, designer paper. You may want to make this dark and just put photos on, but the class covers how to take your signatures and stitch them into this little journal. So I call it my easy stitch journal. So you just need to have a needle and some normal sewing cotton for the class and your choice of papers, but it's all detailed in the instructions, everything you need. And you could mix pictures with writing all the way through and make a really lovely little memory book. So that is journal style number 3, and they all fit in their lovely little box. So if you'd like to join the class, you can join live, and then you have an opportunity to chat with me and like-minded crafters while we're assembling the project, or you can follow along after the event and watch the pre-recorded pre-class videos which take you through how to cut your chipboard for the project. There's a slideshow and also an introduction to the project with some top tips on what papers are used where and how to cut them. And then the 2 live classes where we assemble the project. And if you're watching after the event, all of those are available to follow straight away. And it will also be available as a PDF tutorial, which you can pre-order. So that is the Hannah journal set and lipped case or lipped box. So I hope you can join me in the class. It would be great if you could. I hope I've inspired you to be creative with this gorgeous new collection as well by Graphic 45. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out. Thanks for watching.